In this video, I will show you how you can reverse charge on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, there are two methods to reverse charge using your Samsung phone. There is the wireless option and the wired option. Let's start with the wireless option. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Battery. Under the Battery section, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will find the option for wireless power sharing. Now just tap on it and enable this toggle. And after you enable this feature, then just flip your Samsung phone on its screen. Now just grab a phone which supports wireless charging. After you do that, then just place your smartphone on the back of your Samsung phone and it will start wirelessly charging. Just like that. Now this was the wireless option. For the wired method, just grab a charging cable and plug in the USB Type-C end to your Samsung phone and plug the other end to your other phone. Now since I have an iPhone over here, I'm using a lightning cable, but if your smartphone uses a USB Type-C port or any other port, use a cable to plug in into that port. Now just plug in the other end of the cable to the other phone which you want to charge. As you can see, our iPhone has started charging from our Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is how you can reverse charge using your Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.